I'm here with Chef Goff at Ananatara Rasananda Villas in Phangan. And now we are doing the starter dish called Kratong Torng. It's gonna be so interesting. And yeah, Chef gonna tell us how to do it in a perfect way. Is it good? Okay. 5 spoons for all-purpose flour. 1, 2, 3.
If you have the scale, you can scale like 85 grams.
5. So it's equal 85 grams. Do the same thing, right? Good. Just in there right away. Okay, like that. One teaspoon of sugar. Too much? Like that. Half spoon of salt.
And we pour the water slowly and mix together.
Add some more water until the texture of the flour get together well, so that you can see that the portion of the water and the flour
And we
are
put
in the same portion.
water or น้ำอุ่นใส
So that lime water is the important one that's gonna make the cracker become so crispy. Is there any technique in stirring this? Do we have to stir in the same way?
Yeah. That's okay because this one we just put in the กระทง and we deep fry in the
Deep fried after this, right? อันนี้ต้องแรงอีกไหมเนี่ยหรือว่า
อ๋อโอเคแล้ว
โอเค
เดี๋ยว
Okay. Okay. So that's to test if the flour is ready or not. The flour is supposed to stick on your finger. He said that means it's ready. So we're gonna sift it another time to make the texture of the flour become so fine. Okay. Okay, we got the flour. Next step is to deep fry it. Come with me. So we are going to need this form. It's kind of like a copper thing. You can find them in the Asian grocery store as well if you like to try to cook this dish. So the form needs to be very hot, soaked in the oil before doing this, so that the flour gonna stuck on the form. Look at that.
soak in the hot oil like this around 1 minute or 2 minutes.
Hey. You just take out the oil, right? And now I dip the form in the flour we prepared. And I hold for a second. You can just leave it down there, right? In the same time, when the cracker form turning golden brown, we can just take it out from the heat.
แล้วก็ปล่อยทิ้งห่าง
ออกแล้ว
แล้วก็ปล่อยไปแล้วก็ทำไปเรื่อยๆครับ2 รอบ 3 รอบ
Okay, look at that. Did you see Anders? I got this flour perfect. So I can do some more. and the chef trusts me to be alone here so I can play with this thing. We just had a conversation that what's gonna be in the filling. So the filling gonna be the chicken mixed with some herbs and vegetable like coriander root, onion, and some seasoning. So after this, we're gonna go and make the filling. Look, it's perfect. Okay, so now the filling gonna need these ingredients: coriander roots, garlic, black pepper, pea, boiled corn, carrots, spring onion, and onion.
And last one, the chicken.
And the chicken, of course. Coriander root, garlic, and black pepper in the pestle and mortar. Already in my nose. So now we're gonna take all the ingredients that we have prepared to stir fry. Okay. So the chef just told me that we don't need for the oil to get hot. We can just fry this coriander root, black pepper, and garlic in the pan right away. And we fry it until it's fragrant. And then we add the chicken right there. Add the stock into the pan a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. We just add the onion in there, and now the carrots go in. Also the corn. So you see it's gonna be colorful filling. And the pea. So just keep stir fry this with the medium heat until the chicken getting into smaller pieces, and something like 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. Okay, and I have added the 1 teaspoon of the salt, or maybe half teaspoon of the salt.
Tamarind sauce.
And then tamarind puree. Yep. Something like 3 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons of tamarind puree. And then add the coconut milk into the filling. Now it's time to taste it. ขอชิมก่อน Make like add more salt into the dish. Yep. But you know, it tastes really delicious, sweet, creamy, and the smell of the herbs, especially the coriander root, is amazing. Đây má.
ส่วนมากอาหารไทยเราจะทำไปชิมไปแต่ค่อยเพิ่ม
อร่อย
อันนี้โอเคนะ
อร่อย delicious
กินอันนี้
and then you just add spring onion at the end of this cooking stage. Look colorful and yummy. Like that.
Chef said, no, you're not finished.
Continue.
You're not finished. Finish it. Yes, chef.
เดี๋ยวนี่พี่ทานก่อนก็ได้ครับแล้วเดี๋ยว
Okay, so now we have finished with the delicious starter or กระทงทอง Then next step, just try it together. Let's go. So now you know how to make กระทงทอง this Thai starter, and it is really delicious. You have to try this, and this can also be the activity with your family to do over the weekend. So please try this and find the ingredients below, or visit our website worldofthaifood.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For today, have a spicy day. Bye bye. Delicious.